Oh, there's a snake.
That's dinner.
That's a poisonous viper called the Habu. Yeah. That's a Habu. That's the second Habu these guys have found. Both of them were under logs, so now everyone's like looking under logs. Trying to see if we can't find more danger pasta. You got a crab in your pocket, dead snake, you're like a walking buffet.
Yeah, I am.
Oh, I smell better. It's a new cologne. I call it Jungle Gully. Yeah, getting a little dried out. Might have got a little water in your boots there.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of time to kill. I think I'm gonna make a little bit of a place to lay down next to the fire and get warm and dry. Maybe a little bit of a wind block too.
I'm doing the fisherman.
Oh well.
When do you use this? So whenever we're rappelling.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go film these guys eating the Habu.
More about what I'm eating.
You cooking that Habu?
Not yet. Yeah.
Oh, do you still have the crab in your pocket?
Yeah, we ate him. Yeah, good though.
Good.
It was good.
Yeah,
It was like actually eating like a normal crab.